right, so I did not expect a handheld blower to outmuscle a full-size cordless leaf blower that I'm used to using. So that's exactly what happened here with this though. And this one was much easier to handle than the full-size leaf blower. Bullseye sent me this handheld blower to test out, and I want to show you the real test that I have been putting this thing through. And stick around, because later I'll show you the exact decibel and wind speed numbers I measured with real equipment, so you'll know exactly what you're working with this one. All right, so real talk for just a minute. It does run on a 350 watt motor up to 24,000 RPM, and it did come with 2 rechargeable 20 volt batteries. So you're never stuck really just, waiting on a recharge mid job. Now, instead of just having a simple off switch, you can control airflow by how hard you press the handle. For a gentler flow, just press it a little bit. For full power, press it all the way. Now, mine come with 2 nozzle attachments too, one for a wider spread, or you can combine the 2 for a longer focused tunnel. It's lightweight, easy on the wrist. I can use it with just one hand. Works well indoors as well as outdoors too. And hey, if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe, because I have a lot more real hands-on testing coming soon. I had mulch that had blown all over the driveway, and I wanted to see if I could clean it up without scattering it everywhere. Now, when you blow mulch, you just blow it all in the air and it goes everywhere. I backed the trigger on this to a lighter press and was able to basically direct and guide that mulch right back into the landscaping where it belonged so easily. And then I turned the full power on the leaves on the driveway. I just pushed the button all the way in, blasted those things right out of the way immediately. To really push it, I pointed it at a heavy rubber doormat. Now, this is not one of those lightweight doormats. It is rubber, and you can see it lift and wiggle around, which I thought was just hilarious. Between the leaves, the mulch, and that doormat, this handles a real yard work, garage debris, not just light dust. But I also did try it drying my car. I washed my car and then used it after that. It reminded me of, I'm not sure if everybody has them, but I have them around my house. The drive-through car washes, they have turbo air dryers that kind of suck the water off your car. That's exactly what it reminded me of. It pulled the water right off my mirrors, the seams, the wheels, the grill, without a towel having to touch my paint at all. I also tried to clean cobwebs around my house, leaves off the front porch. No issues there either. Now, I know battery life is a big question and concern. I stayed on the very same battery through every test that I put this through. I never switched the battery once, and there is a power button on the front of the battery. You can just push it to see the battery level indicator. My indicator after all my tests was still completely full, but it does come with a second battery. So if you have like a big garage clean out or a bigger job you're doing, you can just swap them out and keep going. Now, as far as those numbers I promised, all right, let's see how loud this thing is. All right, and I got 123.7 decibels. All right, and I'm gonna back it away a little bit now, and let's see what we get this time. We got 89.9 decibels. That's right in line with a lawnmower or a motorcycle passing by. Loud, but about kind of what you would expect, especially from an air blower. And of course, I also tested the air velocity with a digital anemometer, and here's how that went. All right, Bullseye themselves say that this has kind of like airflow speeds of about 70 meters per second, which breaks down, they say, to about 55 miles per hour. Now, I do have an airflow measuring tool right here, and I do have it, if you can see, set to miles per hour here. Let me see. I'm going to blow this for a few seconds and then hit the hold button to see what we get. All right, and we clocked it in a little over 64 miles per hour, 64.67 miles per hour. So higher than the rated at 55 miles per hour. This does pack a powerful punch. So overall, if you want a lightweight cordless option that genuinely handles leaves, debris, mulch, car drying, this is a great option. Hope that helps. All right, the link to grab this one is down in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. And if you found this one helpful, please go ahead and give me a follow and like so you don't miss any of our next reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.